Hey guys, we're doing the player draw for the half case upper deck hard court at 7:28, 15 p.m. Melbourne time. There we go. Random is live. Dice roll participants. 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I need to mix up that thing. And we're doing the players now 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. LeBron number 4. MJ 20. Wow, Michael Geary got LeBron and Jordan. And that is random complete. I'll go through them all as well. So Matt Smith, Marcus Kings, Daniel, Jerry West, Scott Rhodes, Magic, Geary, LeBron, Shane Bradfield, Alonzo, Benji Mack, Jamal Murray, Michael Paul, Ben Simmons, Geary, Fultz, Eugene Youth, Thonmaker, Nathan Alott, Kevin Love, Bestwick, Elgin Baylor, Kiwi, Allen Iverson, Simi, Hakeem, Ash Peters, Porzingis, Leonardo, George Gervin, Chaz with Wiggins, Luke with Dirk, Jared Widmark, Curry, Andrew with Larry Bird, Geary Jordan, Scott Rhodes, Dennis Rodman, Matus, Cat, Lindsey Williams, Vince Carter, Nathan Alott, Zach Levine, Matt White, Julius Irving, Joshua Holmes with Clyde Drexler, and Timothy Price with Penny Hardaway. And that is it.